Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable DMs on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. Now tap on three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Now tap on Privacy. Then tap on Messages. And here you will see that all the options are now selected on Don't Receive. To disable your DMs or messages, you have to change all of them. First, tap on your followers on Instagram. Now select Message Request and then go back. Then tap on People on Facebook. Select Message Request and go back. Then tap on Others on Instagram. Select Message Request and go back. Now, your DM has been disabled. Now whenever someone sends you a DM, you will receive it as a message request. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.